Hi guys, this is Angel and I'm 20 now, and I think it's been like almost 4 years hesitating and not posting. I've literally got vlogs in my phone. I used to, because अभी मैंने हाल फिलहाल में delete किए. By the way, chrome nails in 2026, something I ticked off my bucket list. Not bucket list, but yeah. And so yes, I've got a lot of, like, I had a lot of vlogs which were completely edited, even captioned, and I did not post it because I was too hesitant. And yeah, I do regret it, because I could have had a running YouTube channel where I was comfortable doing my shit, and but it did not happen. And I'm not sad about it, because today we're gonna post, hopefully. So this is gonna be my first ever YouTube video, like I said. And yes, get ready with me, do my daily makeup, which is nothing but a moisturizer and some cheek and lip tint. And yeah, because I don't have anywhere to go today and we're just at my home. Yeah, I'm sitting in my living room on the floor because natural filter aa rahe hain yahan se. So yes, we are here. And yes, I am yapping. I am a certified yapper. I rant a lot. To myself, not as a bad yapper ranting person, but yes, I talk to myself a lot, like not in the crazy way, but to tell myself ki Angel, it's okay. And also, for the past 2 years I've really not connected with people, like been alone, not that much. So things have changed, and because of that I have also changed. And when I get the opportunity to talk, I don't hold back. I just use all my energy, use all my hands expressions, use everything that I got to just put it out there, like, yes, to explain myself, to actually make you get the gist of what I mean, how I feel, like that. So anyways, so this channel, okay, let's also do something basically, like, okay. So this channel, I want this channel to be your safe space, to be a place where you feel motivated from, get productive watching me, or anything. And like, because I don't have a niche. एक second before इस पे धूल चली जाए. I don't have a niche. I am like jack of all trades. Yeah. So I do every single thing which I find happiness, fun, excitement in, जिसमें मेरे को kick मिलती है, exactly. And I do that, and I love doing that. And that's what my channel is going to be about. I love cooking, I love baking, I love doing random stuff. I love organizing my things, though my wardrobe is the messiest place in my house, but still I love to keep up with trends. I love, like, art. I love art. I love, like, I'm a very creative person. Abhi bhi, like, my dining table, there's clay and all that stuff I was doing yesterday. And, I've been organizing my study table, and I've realized a lot from organizing my study table. If you guys are like me, okay, about me, I think you'll get to know that with this video and with other videos. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. How long is this video gonna be? Because kal bhi I created a video, and that I wanted that video to be my introductory video, but that was just me 3000 बार मेरे टॉपिक से भटकना. And yeah, so that was like my 1 hour 20 minutes of talking plus pre, like, practicing ki Angel bakwas mat karna, just went to waste. And I woke up with a sore throat, and I was like, Mom, kadha pilao meko. Yeah, that happened. Piya maine. And I'm now much better to again talk for like 1 hour 20 minutes or more. So anyways, so yes, थोड़ा स्किन केयर कर लेते. आई एम जस्ट yapping here, guys, like, get the gist of how I am, what kind of person I am. Okay, so this is a cream from Aqualogica. This is water based, and basically I have fungal acne. So this is what I've been using for the past week. This is Fungal Acne Safe, and then this is from Elf. This is the Cherry Coke one, the Cherry Coke tint, and I use it for both my cheek and lips, like just थोड़ा सा to give me that, you know, मेरे में जान है, I'm not a pale भूत, just थोड़ा सा. And guess what, I got this like a few days, no, just a day before my birthday, which was in December, and within the first, like within a month, this was like half empty because I used it so much. I loved it so much. This was the official product that I, you know, started using as a blush because having a dry skin, applying that powder wala blush with a like, you know, brush is like putting like, you know, it just felt weird, it looked weird, it felt cakey, it felt like I had a layer, and I always, you know, used to break out after that. So this was like a water based cheek tint. I think this also breaks me out. I do think that, because even after applying the right skincare, I do break out at the places where I apply the tint. But I think this is like, you know, best out of worst जो चीज़ें होती हैं. I have fungal acne, but that doesn't mean I don't apply makeup and stuff. And you know, I'm really not into like trying natural or products like that, jo herbal products and all that. I don't like, you know, आजकल anything natural, anything, I am not gonna, you know, fall in that trap of like हम natural है, buy it from us. आजकल everything is all about chemicals. Just buy from trusted brands. And just love doing a gradient lip, जो अभी हुआ नहीं है because the camera is too far from me. And yeah, I think almost there. So yes, this is my everyday makeup, and I forgot my lip balm there, so I guess I'll just skip it for now. It's in my room. Yes, so I apply lip balm. I love applying lip balm because I have this habit of licking my lips, which makes it peel and burn, so I have to like keep up with lip balms. So yes, about that. And I don't know from where to where we went. I am a huge certified rapper. Sorry, yapper. So that is that. And so basically, like I told you, I'm a huge hobby person, like huge, and I just love doing everything. And but you know, while doing everything, trying to have everything, I have realized a lot about life. Like, it might sound light to you guys, but like just say for example, like, you know, I'm not a very shopaholic person कि, you know, मेरे को shopping करनी है ऐसे वैसे, मेरे को ये खरीदना है. No, but I do have some interest, and that is like, you know, मेरे को कुछ चीज़ों में जैसे मेरे को अंदर से feeling आती है ना कि भाई ये तो खरीदना ही खरीदना, नहीं तो FOMO हो जाएगा. तो वैसे ही I feel कि ये चीज़ मेरे लिए, this is stationery. I am a huge stationery पगलू. Like, कोई स्टेशनरी मार्केट में हो एंड वो मेरे पास नहीं हो, नो. नहीं, आई एम नॉट अ स्पॉइल्ड पर्सन, बट यू नो, एक शौक सबका होता है. तो स्टेशनरी इज फॉर मी. आई बाय लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ स्टेशनरी. आई हैव एवरी सिंगल सॉर्ट ऑफ स्केच पेन्स, पेस्टल, एक्रिलिक पेन्स, दिस दैट, एवरीथिंग. चलो ये तो यू नो डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, डिफरेंट मीडिया हो गया कि यू नो, ओके, इट्स गुड टू हैव एवरी सिंगल मीडिया इफ यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट और वट एवर, इफ यू आर इनटू आर्ट. But pens, new aesthetic pens, abhi jaise India mein you've seen brands like Doms and Flair, especially these two brands, jo Indian brands are, which we've been using as like, you know, kids for a very long time. I'm not talking about Uniball or like Kako, whatever, because they are like, you know, or other like you know, foreign brands, because they are like expensive too, and they've always been aesthetic. But these two brands, especially like within this last year, they launched so many aesthetic products, and I have every single one of them. And guess what, आई हैव इतने पेन्स कि अगर मैंने आज पेन खरीदना बंद कर दिया, आई हैव अ लाइफ टाइम सप्लाई ऑफ पेन्स if I use it normally like a normal person. Not just me, my family. I am a family, like I have a family of 4: me, my brother, my mom, my dad. I've got a cute little dog. He's a golden retriever. He's not little, but yeah. uh, and his name is Simba. Yesterday I was recording, he was all over me, he was all over here, and now he's resting in the room. And yes, so like, yeah, I have a lot of pens. And you know what? I went to the station, just, for me, whenever, like I said, I don't know, like, I'm sorry, I'm, like saying, like a lot, but, like, like बोलती है, जैसे सबका एक थिंग होता है ना कि सबका कोई एस्केप होता है कि दिस इज़ माई एस्केप, दैट्स वेयर आई फील लाइक ओके, अब मेरा लाइफ से हो गया है, सो दैट्स वॉट आई एम गोना डू, आई एम गोना बी, आई एम गोना गो टू, राइट? फॉर मी इट्स stationery, or it's organizing my study space where I have my all my creative, like, projects or whatever, pasted or hanged up. एक second, there's hair in my mouth. Oh, it's just my lips. Never mind. Never mind. Yes, enough of being chaotic. I also am a huge chaotic person. One thing about Angel, like, if anyone asks you कि एक चीज बताओ which is so Angel, I think one thing about me is gonna be, मैं टॉपिक से इतना भटकती हूँ, इतना भटकती हूँ, इतना भटकती हूँ कि पूरी अर्थ भटकने के लिए कम पड़ जाएगी. I hope that makes sense. I start a topic, and within a minute, I'm not even like talking about that. Not even a minute, like within few seconds, I'm just so over that. And I don't know what I was talking about, like, what I had to talk about, Abhi. I'm sorry. Yes, about stationery, I was saying. So, like I said, सबका एक escape होता है. Okay, there's 2 pigeons in front of me. They are bickering. I guess they are a couple. So, okay, so stationery. So, like, सबका अपना escape होता है. And for me, that is, like I said, organizing my space and, doing some art projects and stuff like that. And guess what? Like, how? Like, my mom makes fun of me so much. कि मैं कभी भी टेंस्ड होती हूँ. आई एम लाइक, आई गो नॉट जस्ट टेंस्ड, वेन एवर आई गो टू अ स्टेशनरी, आई आस्क, भैया कुछ नया आया है क्या, दिखाओ, लाइक कुछ नया मार्केट में दिखाओ. आई एम लाइक दैट, लाइक कुछ नया है मेरे को दिखाओ. सो दैट. एंड वन थिंग अबाउट मी, व्हेन आई एम डिप्रेस्ड, मेरा जो स्टडी स्पेस है, इट्स गोना बी लाइक सुपर मेसी, piled up, like जितना स्पेस है वो पूरा ऊपर तक, it's gonna be piled up with random stuff. सारा मेरा स्किन केयर वगैरह सब कुछ वहीं होगा. It's like that. So yes, मैंने अभी उसे organize किया. I'm still in the process of organizing it. It's been a day. I started it yesterday, and yes, so I think I can show you guys some of my, like, actual completed artworks, because I'm a huge, like, मेरा हो गया, like I leave things in between, a lot of things, and I want to get rid of that. 2026, I want to get rid of this habit. So I can show you, not really great, but because abhi I'm like, actually I think I'm good now at, I'm fine with artwork, but these were made like a few years back. I can show you guys if you want. I was into texture art recently, like I'm still into texture art, and ye gandi bhi ho gayi because it's been 2 years since I made these. The first one is this. It's, agar dikh raha ho, it's a basic canvas, and I used it. Is pe, this is the acrylic putty jo aati hai in the market, and it's dusty. And yeah, I made this for Mother's Day for my mom, and it's not that great, it's not that good, but it was a first time attempt, so I did not had, like, it was a first attempt, so I could not really, like, make it really really good, but this is fine. So I use acrylic paints, and I used metallic paints, and I also fevicalled these beads onto this, and this looks like this. I think from dur se it looks good. And I'm also into, like, plain abstract, like 3D art. So this is what I made. This is not that good, and this was like, this took me hardly like 15 minutes,
because my mom told me to prepare like 3 canvases and they were gonna like be hung on the wall like ऐसा कुछ. So I wanted to be as abstract as possible, but ये उतना ही patterned it came out, so it's still at my place. So yes, and I have a lot more, like lot more stuff and lot more figurines, So being that much into art, and I feel ki there are a lot of ways to organize myself in the correct way as correct as possible. Sorry, and the first thing I find is like आजकल बहुत लोग are using digital planners. For example, they are using Notion. I get it. Like I've used Notion and it's actually good. But जितना Notion makes me, because I'm not that handy with computer अभी मेरे को it's not that much needed. So I'm not always carrying my laptop. So मेरे को कुछ भी करना हो, it's just handy and I'm just putting on it on Notion. But अभी के लिए I'm more of a on the paper person, and I think I'll always be the on the paper person because that feels more productive to me. I am actually putting some effort in planning my day. I'm actually I just I said I'm artistic. I decorate it, I customize it so much. And for example, okay, I can show you a few things. Wait, yeah. So for example, how I keep myself organized, we have Pinterest. Girl, Pinterest should be your best friend in I think every aspect. Like I wanted calendars, I printed out calendars and I then just customized it with my this box that I created, this like notepad thingy. I made it. These boxes, I made it. I colored this. Okay, and I could have done this the whole thing also. That's nothing wrong. But sometimes being smart is a better move. Then I made this meal planner. Like this hangs on my fridge. So like that's what I'm talking about when it comes to DIYing stuff or keeping. Oh my god, keeping myself organized. Yes. So आई थिंक आई फील कि ये बहुत फ़न है हर क्लास में एक बच्चा होता है जिसके पास हर स्टेशनरी होती है एंड they've got this brush pen जिससे वो टाइटल लिखते हैं then they highlight. I was that kid. My notes were an example, though I wasn't good at studying. Like I was average because I didn't want to be good. I was so interested in other things. I wanted to do other things that studying wasn't my first priority, and doing okay for me was fine. Though I'm not justifying my failures, but this was my priority. This was like where I feel like myself. Okay, about my hair. Okay. बहुत हो गया artistic. My hair. Look at my hair. अभी लग रहा है कि I have red hair पूरा नीचे, but no, I've got layers done. So it's black hair, but just the ends are red. The ends are red when all together they look like. No, let me show you. And guess what? I did it myself. And even like one of my relatives, they called and they were like, oh, you got it. And I was like, no, I did it myself. That's what being artistic is. Like DIY. जब तक तुम कर सकते हो DIY, तुम्हारा एक हाथ चला गया, पैर चला गया, तब I'll understand why you're not DIYing. But जब तक you can do, I live by DIY. Yes. Oh my god. I live by DIY. I app a lot, you can see that. And yes, so that. And 2026 May, I think everyone, if you're watching my channel, you also made a vision board. Yes, vision board. You also made a vision board. I did. Everyone did. For the past 2-3 years, there's this hype going around vision board. I've always made vision board, like not as a board, but in my diary I always had stuff कि मेरे को करना है. So it wasn't a new concept. It was just more picturized and more like straightforward on a board. तो I also made a vision board. And guess what? I said मैं मेरा study table arrange करी थी. वो vision board मेरे soft board से निकल गया, फट गया, उसके सारे pictures बाहर निकल गए. That time वो pictures दुखी होके collect करते करते, because I took my time and made that, I realized कि just because everyone's making a vision board, I made one too. But did I actually like मैंने vision board December end में बनाया था and it's March It's March now. Did I even accomplish a single thing? No, because हमारे goals दूसरों को देख के इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, हमारे expectations इतने बड़े हो गए हैं कि reality is like reality. अगर आप किसी को reality check दोगे ना, they'll hate you, they'll start hating you. It's like that. सब लोग बहुत fantasy में जी रहे हैं. So like, you know, touch some grass, you know, वो वाली चीज़. And I did when I was recollecting my pics कि भाई मैंने इतने बड़े बड़े visions अपने vision board में क्यों रखे हैं? Is it even possible in an year? It's good to have visions, but it's better to be practical than just being dumb. That's what I believe in. So we are also gonna make a new vision board. If you're here, basically I wanted to start new. I'm done with most of my exams, and now I actually think that ये थोड़ा सा time I can give to myself before moving out, if I do. And yes, so I think जो जहाँ जिस सिचुएशन में मैं हूँ, there can be many other people कि विजन बोर्ड को देख के मोटिवेशन नहीं डिप्रेशन हो रहा है, बिकॉज ये तो अचीव ही नहीं हो रहे. सो वाई नॉट मेक अ रियलिस्टिक विजन बोर्ड? दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन. And I am a huge DIY person. I told you that. I am a huge thrifter. Like, you know, iska ye bana diya, uska ye bana diya. Basically, my parents are fashion designers, and I get that from them. Ki, you know, kuch all these creativity and stuff. So that. So all that is gonna be here on YouTube on my channel. You can watch it. I will surely upload it. I will surely do it because this is 2026. This is gonna be my year. इनफ ऑफ कि फेबररी में मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स थे तो जनवरी पढ़ना था, फेबररी में एग्ज़ाम्स हो गए, मेरे को मार्च क्या बोलते हैं रेस्ट करना. नो, लाइक स्टॉप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू इट. अभी भी आई थिंक जो मेरे वीडियो देख रहा होगा, मोस्ट देख रहे होंगे, मे बी यू वांट अ व्लॉग टू, मे बी यू वांट बी आउट देयर टू, बट यू आर स्कैर्ड, यू आर हेजिटेंट. वाई? क्योंकि तुम्हें मे बी लग रहा होगा लोग क्या सोचेंगे, और लाइक यू नो दूसरे लोगों के ओपिनियंस में बहुत लाइक यू नो मे बी और अ पीपल प्लीजर, मे बी एनीथिंग. आई हैव डन दैट टू. आई हैव बिन देयर. आई वाज दैट. एंड like I said, last 2 years I wasn't like, you know, really hanging out and talking to people. I realized all these mistakes, and I knew 2026 was gonna be my year of getting rid of all that, being back to my positive self, because in the end कोई भी तुम्हारी हेल्प नहीं करेगा. It's just going to be you doing you. You do you, right? So that's what I mean. And yes, I think 30 minutes is enough of yapping, and I really don't want to cut anything from this video because whatever I said, I meant it. And I might be annoying with using my hand movements or saying like a lot, but I just want my words to be out there in the best form to you guys so that you actually understand. And if you're like me, holding back a lot of things, not living your life, and you know, just don't do that. Like I've done that and I regret it so much कि जब जिसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी, I was worried about that, and now I did not get to live my childhood or whatever. Like, you know, I don't want you guys to do that too. Like if you're, you know, if you're younger than me, please listen to me. Like don't subscribe, don't like my video, but at least सुन लो, because just love yourself. Like this is what I'm gonna say. इसमें सब कुछ चीज़ें concise हो जाती हैं. Just love yourself. People are gonna hate you. That doesn't mean you're bad. Even if you're the best, people are gonna hate you. And trust me, I have experience because I know I'm good at heart. मैं किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचती. Still, I was hated. We can do a story time about that. I think ये मैंने बोला था. So it's bad. Like being a nice person is bad because लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि आज की डेट में अच्छे लोग भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. एंड you know, जैसा मैंने कहा, everyone is there in their fantasy world and no one's like actually living in the reality, how world should be, how it is, especially our generation. So if you feel you're different, be different. Do not try to fit in. Do not try to fit in where you don't belong. This goes both ways, right? Find your own happiness. Find your own world. Find your own place, find your own safe space. My channel, I hope it can be your safe space. Like I'm here all about being yourself, loving yourself, doing things that I love. And also जैसा मैं सोचती हूँ कि मेरी तरह और भी तो लोग होंगे who want to vlog, be out there, and वो नहीं कर पा रहे. I want you to give that motivation to do it. Because I am saying this because like I don't know, some people think it's bad to motivate others to come into the same field as you. I'm talking about this generally because मैं कोई YouTuber तो हूँ नहीं, but मैं generally I'm talking about this. And I feel कि there's a place where everyone belongs, and जब तक you won't try, you won't know it. So it's better to try and know it, even if it is not for you, rather than just being a Kash person. Like Katrina Kaif said, she does not want to be a Kash person. Same, I go by that. I don't want to be a Kash person. I want to do everything that I can in my will, in my strength, to help myself and people. And also, why is YouTube for me, why I am starting it right now? I think इसके मेरे पास कुछ answers है. I think 1-2 minute में I'll complete this video. Why I want to make content? Because I'm not trying to make content to make content, if that makes sense. It comes naturally from me ki, I want to grow, and I have no issues of growing together. Like I go by ki, let's grow together, let's do it together. Why leave one behind? So I have so many bad habits. I procrastinate a lot. I overthink a lot. I am a people pleaser. I go so much by people's opinion. I lose my mind when someone is trying to hate on me or talk shit about me. Because I am a nice person. Why are they doing that? ये सब सोच के I go crazy. And I forget कि not everyone is like me. जो किसी का अच्छा चाहेगा और अच्छा होगा maybe. People are different. And just think your life as a game, upgrading yourself, going to the next level, and these people as hurdles, and they're gonna teach you. Like I was bullied, so what did I do? क्या मैंने वहाँ पे उनको bully किया? No, I did work out कि भाई ये बात से तो नहीं मान रहे कि it's hurting me, stop it. So now I need to work out, and boom boom boom. But when I was working out, I was working out, not only working out, but also working out, also taking part in different things. And I noticed कि इससे मेरा ही अच्छा हुआ. इससे मेरा अच्छा हुआ. I grew. I never thought कि I'll be and become this person. So it was for me. And then I realized कि it's not about revenge from people that hurt you or something, but it's more about working on yourself and just अगर वो वैसे पिटी लोग हैं जो तुम्हें परेशान करे, तुम्हें लगता है वो समझेंगे या उनका तुम्हारा रिवेंज उन पे अफेक्ट करेगा, why be like them? An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. So why that? Sometimes it's necessary, but not every time. You upgrade yourself, you become better than them. That's what you want to do. If you want to take revenge, that's what I go by. Be nice to them, kill them with kindness. Sorry, kindness, not kindness. Kill him with kindness, like Harry Styles said. Yeah, so yes, I think this is what my video is gonna be about. And yes, if you feel good here, if you felt good listening to me yapping like a crazy girl with so many expressions and hand movements, I'm just being chaotic. I am mostly calm, composed, but like I said, being alone sometimes makes you use your energy so much, and it comes out like this.